So today I want to talk about 5 color combos that every guy should try. And yeah, as you see, I got a few outfits to go through. I got 5 full outfits that I'm going to show you. So bear with me as I change back and forth. Some of these are a little bit perhaps out of my comfort zone. Maybe not what I would wear normally, but I wanted to give some good variation so that there is something for everyone here. So yeah, let's start with the first one. All right, so the first one, as you can see, is blue and brown. And I think it's one of the easiest color combos you can actually wear. It's pretty hard to go wrong with, to be honest. And you can, for example, just, if you like to wear denim, you can just add some brown to it, such as a brown hat, boots, and a belt. Of course, you can also mix it up, throw on a brown jacket, and yeah, that's it. So that was the first one, blue and brown. All right, so we are sticking with the blues. We got navy and white. And I think this is a pretty easy combo that kind of never goes wrong. And it's quick to just throw on something if you're not sure what to wear. I would say that personally this is not my favorite or my most worn look, although I think it looks great, but for some reason, I don't know, it's just a combo I don't go for that often. But anyways, great look nonetheless. Yeah, navy and white. All right, so this one is perhaps a little bit more interesting again. And yeah, we got green and blue. And I think it works really well together as long as the tones are a little bit more muted. And yeah, I would say this one is a lot more me. Maybe this and the first one. Although actually I don't have a lot of green, to be honest. I have now a few fatigue / camo pants. Cargo pants, I meant to say. But other than that, I don't have any like green tops or anything like that, which I should do something about because, yeah, I think this is it's a great combo. And for example, having blue jeans with some green top would be nice as well. All right, we got the fourth combo, which is beige and blue. I have to say that out of all the looks I'm wearing today, this is maybe the one I was the least excited about. I don't know, it just felt a bit boring somehow. I do like all the pieces that I'm wearing by themselves with something else, but somehow I don't know, I'm not 100% behind it. Maybe I could have added a hat or something to kind of spice it up a little bit. But anyways, we are talking about the colors today. And I think beige is a great color. And if you mainly have darker colors in your wardrobe, just getting something beige can be a great option just to brighten things up every now and then. All right, last one for today, and we have black and green. And yeah, I decided to go with a pair of camo pants because I've had these for a few months and only wore them a couple of times. I really love them, but you know, it takes a little bit more to put them on, to say like that. But yeah, I generally don't wear black all that much. except when it comes to this jacket. I actually did style this jacket for 5 days in a row, so 5 different looks. You can see the video here, just to give you an idea of how you can, or what other colors you can pair black with. I think it's a great color, even though I don't wear it all that much. But black and green works, but there's so many other colors you can combine black with. And yeah, as with the camo today, there's a lot happening there, so you don't want to have too much going on anywhere else. It should be pretty clean and without prints or anything like that. So yeah, and that was all of today's 5 outfits and 5 different color combinations. I hope that you, I don't know, learned something new or got inspired. I would love to hear what color combinations you wear the most. What is your favorite? And would you wear any of these? As always, I love to chat. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace out.